here's one quick way you can start saving money simply by having access to a student email or being a student, of course. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to studentbeans.com, which is the website we're going to be using today, and you register. You register preferably with your student email. It's going to make things way easier. It should not take you more than 5 or 7 minutes. After you do that, you go to the studentbeans.com/US website if you're in the US, and you start scrolling through all the discounts they have available. Let me show you, for instance, back to school deals. If you go to back to school deals, you'll see that you have access to a variety of discounts. You have access to Forever 21, the Outnet, Lululemon. You can keep going on and on and on. This is just a short list of all the student discounts. Shine or Shane, I don't know how you call it. Foot Locker, Crocs. I hate Crocs, but that's an option. I mean, the list goes on. This is just a short display. You can also have access to food or general, I guess, things like Grubhub and delivery services. So you have McDonald's, Chipotle, Dunkin', Domino's, and Instacart, GoPuff, Blue Bottle. You get the idea. And then you can also save on tech, whether it's hardware like a Razer or software like Apple Music. You get NordVPN, you get Hostinger if you're going to make like a website, Squarespace as well. You can also, which is really useful, especially if you're going back and forth home, travel discounts, Spirit, United, Kayak, Priceline, Amtrak, especially if you're living in the northeastern area, Spot Hero. So these are some of the options that they have right now for back to school. But there's also things like student stationery discounts, like Best Buy, Temu, Etsy, Chegg, Microsoft, Ado, Canva. I mean, you may be using some of these software providers already or some of these services, and you may not know that you could actually get a discount on them, like Canva or Walmart. Well, Walmart also has a small, I think it has a recurring service that you could use, so you get a discount on that as well. You get access to fashion student discounts, parallel like Nike, H&M, Lululemon. We went through those. Oh, well, New Balance as well, Adidas. List goes on and on. You also get access to entertainment services like Hulu, Peacock, Ticketmaster, although Ticketmaster is more like a service than a streaming service. But Spotify, also really useful. Disney Plus, Sony, list goes on. I encourage you to check it out. So another tip I have for you is to download the Chrome extension, which is this one right here. And whenever you go to a website and you don't know if you have discounts, it will pop up. Like, let's say you go to Apple. Once I'm in Apple, if there are some discounts out there lingering, it will pop up this little button here. If I click it, it'll display all the student discounts I have access to. $100 student discount, up to 50% student discount, and then you can just simply click to it, and it's going to be either a link or a code you can use to get access to the discount. Now I'm going to show you how this actually works in real life. Let's say you go to, I don't know, Nike.com. If I go to Nike and there are discounts out there from Student Beans, this button will pop up again. If I click it, I'm going to be able to access student discount. Whether sometimes it's a code, sometimes it's a link I can click to, and it takes me directly to the site where the discount is, or sometimes it's going to ask me to verify my identity as a student with Nike, and then eventually I get the discount. It shouldn't take me more than 5 minutes. But this is the cool thing about having the extension, that you can essentially get discounts on all the websites you use without even knowing that you have a discount. The button will pop up and you immediately get the discount. Another cool thing is that you can change the country. If you're in, let's say, let's do this from the website. If I'm in, let me give an example, Hong Kong. Let's say I go to Mexico, okay? It's just closest to the US. And it will show me discounts I have on this country. They're going to be maybe different brands, but regardless, I'll have discounts. And this applies to every single country that is compatible with, let's say, the UK, with Student Beans. So this is a really cool service that is extremely useful, especially now that we're all going back to school. Um, Feel free to subscribe so you can get more notifications of whenever I release alerts of discounts or saving hacks like these. And like if you enjoyed this video.